Alright guys, me and Coda are about to buy some paint supplies to paint the cars. We're at Temecula Valley Paint Supply.
Sandpaper for DA and sheet of paper and masking tape. 320 and 400. Scotch-Brite.
Scotch-Brite, which color do you like?
Red. Sheet of sandpaper 400 and 600.
Coda knows everything about painting, guys.
Not everything, but yeah, I went college for painting and I worked at body shop for half a year or so. But you learn as you paint more and more though.
You're a lot better now than before.
Yeah, for sure.
So this is all the stuff for prep work?
Yeah, before primer.
You'd have to order it and it gets delivered here.
These right here.
Funny, I used to live in that neighborhood where you all live.
Oh, really?
What are you doing to the 240 now?
We're painting, that's why we're buying these to hold down the tent.
Oh, yeah.
Gonna set up the paint booth on top of this tarp.
We just go by the number. It's kind of confusing at first, but it's really easy. Like it's labeled everything.
Set up pretty decent, I guess. It's time to remove the stickers off the pace car, guys. Last time we're gonna see this. So I was time-lapsing it, but Coda's too fast. It's better in real time.
For sale, $500. Quick kit swap. Coda got the new Fujian kit, like the gold car. He's trying to copy me. So this thing's gonna go on the 180 that he's selling. Hey, can I have my VSKFs, bro? I've been borrowing them for a long time. Jordan will be taking stickers off for the next 72 hours. It's been sitting on there for like 19 years, so it's turned into hard paint.
We're gonna get the spinning disc thing that Coda was talking about and just spin it off.
It's just a car now.
It's nothing special anymore, guys.
It's just a car. This looks like an abandoned car lot. We got this thing out of the garage. You guys remember this? I bought this like last year and only used it once because I snapped the axle. So waiting for this to charge. Get this thing going. Brought the pit bike. Hit the track a couple times. Yo, you're too quick, bro. Looks good.
Bumper fits so good.
Yeah, you rather put the good fitting bumper on this one than your car, huh? This thing fits great, Coda. Ready?
No more pace car, guys.
Think pit bike battery will start it?
Time to roll these fenders.
You don't want to drive your 34 here?
What do you say?
I didn't want to bring it unless we all mob together.
You buying a welder, Josh?
It was.
Hey guys, I'm in the 2-car trailer. We're moving to the land, so we brought all our stuff. Well, this isn't all of it, but this is all the stuff. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. This is all the stuff I brought. And I'm just kind of chilling in here right now. Alright, I set up my workstation. No cable management yet. The extension cord I ordered is at the other house right now. It just arrived. Got my headphone hanger thing, my mic holder, 6 swivel, MPK Mini 2, Fire, keyboard, mouse. Got my tablet, mouse for the tablet, my HS8s. Got the new M1 Mac Mini. I spec'd it out. Got this LG monitor with a swivel arm, pretty sick. My QMC 404 HD audio interface. I recently got this camera bag. Got everything in here, my lenses, my other camera bodies. I know I'm missing the most important part, the desk. I just got this from outside of the house. It was just, you know, lying there. Pretty sick. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
We're gonna have the couch.
Wait. There's water here.
Water? Almost spilled? Okay, excuse me. Couch is done. He says it's pretty small. I mean,
Because the room is big.
yeah. You wanna pull it out? Check this out.
Okay.
Bang.
Nice.
It's a bed.
Extra bed.
Pretty sick. You like it, Coco?
This is a little sneak peek. Finally moving in, guys. We'll do a full house tour when it's ready to go, but right now we're selling the red car.
What?
Why are you filming me?
Why am I filming?
Yeah.
Because it's my job.
Let me shut the door. Hold on, Coco. So, I've had this car for about, say, like 7-8 months. I sold it like 6 months ago, and the buyer gave me a deposit. I held it. He ended up flaking. Some stuff went wrong, and I don't blame him. He went through some pretty heavy stuff. So, I posted it today, and someone's coming to pick it up. He's buying a car without the wheels, so working in like 30-degree weather right now. Took off the wheels. I gotta go pick him up at the gate.
First time riding
Pit bike in the wild nature with frickin' bobcats and coyotes. Just follow me. I should have put my mask on, bro. That probably would have kept me a little bit more warm. What's up, guys?
Hello.
Did you guys think you were gonna get murdered coming all the way out here?
about to get murdered
I had no clue where I was. They kept thinking my phone was wrong. He's like, oh, it's your phone.
Yeah, I was like, I've never been to this spot, so like, what is happening right now? What's up, man?
Pretty good.
Sorry, John.
Pretty good. Yeah, dude. We live in the boonies now.
I know, man.
Don't tell anyone. I already got the front wheels off. Oh, sick. Feel free to check out the car. Oh yeah. Your lights here. Your
Done clean.
turn signals here.
Okay.
So you turn on your fuel, turn on ignition. There's no cold start issues too, surprisingly.
Oh, okay.
Look at the side skirts. Everything fits so well.
Yeah.
Like, there's no like
That
weird gaps.
The front bumper side is looking good.
Yeah, it's got a lot of good force on it. But like, so this dude, the original Nissan owner's manual
Oh, damn.
from 1991, the original registration when it was first bought back in 1991 from Dorothy.
What? Damn,
It's
this
a
is
trip.
crazy.
It's a cool car, man. I mean, I wouldn't have put a 1J in a 240 this clean because I can only imagine how he first bought it, how
Yeah.
clean it was, and how virgin it was. But shoot, it's cool, man.
This dude's about to dog this shit.
I'm about to get this thing up. I'm about to beat the shit out this thing.
1, 2, 3. Toto, sorry, they had to borrow your wheels. Really? Yeah, because they're mostly fit. The reason why I sold that car, guys, is because I've got a big surprise for you guys. The next car, which is gonna be hopefully in the next video. Stay tuned for it.